Hi, Ark Rusek here of Farmers Insurance. My passion is helping people with life insurance and retirement planning here at the agency. Over the past 16 years, wanted to kind of go over what a life insurance appointment looks like. A lot of people probably get intimidated or scared once they hear the word life insurance. So I just want to kind of go over a little bit of what to expect. First off, I like to start up the appointment with ground rules. So basically it goes without saying that everything we discuss is confidential. So if people are on medications or what they, how much money they make or anything like that, does not go past the room. It's just like an attorney. And then also, if they don't need more life insurance or they don't, they have enough, I'm not going to just try to push a product. I'll just kind of give them my honest professional feedback. And and then also as a client, if someone is not interested or is putting it off, I would just like to know and just let's be honest instead of playing, games and things like that, to kind of have that two-way communication. Secondly, just to kind of get to know your situation. So everybody's situation is going to be different. One person, might be married with 2 kids, and their neighbor might be married with 2 kids, but they're going to have different needs just based on their lifestyle and things like that. The life needs analysis is the third thing that we do. So we kind of go over the personal situation to see how much life insurance a person needs, because again, that number is not going to be the same for 2 people. Reviewing the different types of plans. So then basically high level, very not going into 1 hour explanations, just 5-minute explanations how each of the different plans works, kind of going over questions to make you feel comfortable so you understand kind of what options are out there. After that, we go over eligibility. So, people have different health issues and different things that they might be worried about. Let's have a conversation to see, sometimes they might be eligible for different plans, sometimes we might have to wait a little bit for some diagnosis. There may be options available. So let's have that discussion before we kind of go any further, to make sure that we don't waste your time with testing and things like that. Next is budget. So kind of what are we able to set aside each month, and then try to kind of get as much coverage as you need to get towards that number with the budget that you have. And again, go over any more questions that maybe we hadn't covered in the beginning part of the appointment. And then last but not least, next steps and expectations. So if we do move forward with an application, typically for most policies there will be an exam involved where they do blood, urine, height and weight, they take your blood pressure. For higher face amounts, they will do an EKG and things like that. So we will go over kind of what to expect so that somebody's not blindsided with the next steps and expectations. If you have any questions or would like to set up a life appointment, I would be happy to help and see what we could help to provide. Give us a call here at the office at 312-492-6588, 312-492-6588. Thanks.